Hello, myself Dr. Tanay Ghosh. So today we'll see how to use this console and some operations in console. Who are using terminal in Linux or using the command prompt in Windows, it will be more easy for them. So why we need this? We already know how to save a C file or a CI file and write our script there and run, and result can be shown. Okay, that is okay for when you are plotting anything or there is any graph. But if you want something that you are asked to show a vector multiplication or a matrix multiplication or any find out the root of any number or any equation, polynomial equation, root of any polynomial equation, then how can you show that? Every time what you will do, you take a screenshot of your console and show it to here, because that is not coming out in a like a proper way in what is showing in a graph. Here you can always record whatever you are doing in your console, and it is written directly to your text format, and you can take a printout of it and show it as a result. It can be possible. Also you can, obviously there is command that your output result will be created or depicted in a particular text file, so you can show that okay, this is my result. But you can always also copy or write in a record whatever you're doing in your Scilab console, which is your Scilab console, this one is Scilab console, and show it. So at first you have to know that where are you, from where are you working. Of course you have here this documents and all these things, but let's see, it is not present here. Now it is not there, it's gone. How will you know? You have no idea. Yes, this is your complete space and you have no idea that where are you. So the command is pwd. At first you clear your screen, then pwd. It will show you the exact place you are present, the exact directory you are present. So you are present in this particular directory. Now how many folders are inside here, inside this directory documents? So I have these folders present. This is my videos, my pictures, my music, whatever you have, you can see that. Now from here I want to go a particular directory, or I want to create a directory. So at first I create a directory. I create a temporary directory, that is temp. Sorry, mkdir, not mak, mkdir temp. So our command is mkdir. So one means yes, it is created. Mk directory, make directory, one directory is created. Let's see, is it created or not? Yes, there is one directory temp. I want to create another directory, mk directory Scilab. Scilab, don't give space here. It is always wise to not give space. Don't give space here, give underscore or dash. It is better to use underscore. Practical. Enter. Now I see. So this is two folders created, temp and Scilab underscore prac. After that I want to remove one directory. So my command is rmdir, and I want to delete this particular directory temporarily. Now you can use this command rm directory when your directory is empty, temp directory is empty. Now you want to enter, so you see here temp directory is not present now, it is gone. I want to enter the Scilab prac, so cd Scilab. So I type only sci. I know there is no other folder which begins with that sci letters combination. So after that I click tab, so immediately it will show you Scilab underscore prac. Enter. So right now this is my position, user document Scilab prac. Is there any folder file? No, there is no folder file inside it. ls, you have to type ls and enter. Now clear our screen, clc. After that we will create a file inside here. So my command is file underscore create, and this is equal to open parenthesis uh, this is not open parenthesis, just wait a minute, m close m open, it is m open. So our command is m open, and inside our inverted we have to give the file name. So I give the file name temporary dot sce. Okay, so it will create a file name which is temp.sce. Now give comma, I click w. So w makes the temporary.sce file, it will be an writable file, so you can write whatever you want. So it is open and it is writable. If you don't want to open it as writable, only readable, then the command is r. So let's see if it is created or not. Yes, now after ls you can see temp.sce file is created. Now this is already open, it is already still open. I want to close it. So my command is mclose, and within the parenthesis I write temp sce. Now it is closed. Okay. Now you can after that, if I want it to open as readable file, its command is r. It is open but not readable, not writable. It is only readable. You can read it, but you cannot write it anything. And same closing command is same. You can always close. Now there is another operation, how you will record whatever you are doing, how you will record it in a particular file. So for that I prefer a file to be created as text file, txt. So it can be opened from any system. If that system is not having no Scilab installed, still there this txt file will open. If there is any computer which don't have any Windows Office, also it can open it temp.txt. Any Linux, Mac OS, any OS system, this txt file will be opened. You don't need a special kind of software to open this. So at first I have to open and make it as writable. This is the first step. Next step, I will use the command diary, diary, diary. Now within the parenthesis, within the inverted comma, I give this name temp.txt and enter. Okay. So now after the entering this answer is equal to 1, from here it starts recording. It starts recording that whatever you are typing here, it will be recorded. So your first question is given that two matrices are given, that is A is equal to, so this is one matrix, say 1, 2, 3, and then it is 4, 5, 6, that is 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 column, and B is another matrix which is given by something like 8 9, sorry, 8 9 and 5 6. Okay, 8 9 5 6, and another one, another column is your 3 4 3 4. Okay, so this is A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 2 matrix. Now we can multiply it. Matrix multiplication is possible. So I have C matrix which is given as A and multiplication with B. So enter. So this is my result, and these all are recorded. So if this is your practical, you can type this, and this all is recorded. Again, another question is given, that you are given one polynomial. Say polynomial is given to you, and you want to find out the value of that roots. Okay, say a variable polynomial is poly is equal to polynomial is given as, so your roots, instead of roots, the polynomial's equation is given as x square plus 2x plus 1. It is given like this. Okay, you don't write x square, you have to write percentage s. Okay, percentage s square. So it is x square. Now plus 2 into x, 2 into x, 2 into x means 2 into percentage s, and then plus 1. Okay, you enter. So new polynomial is 1 into 2s plus s square. Okay, this is a polynomial. Put it like this: 1, polynomial 1 is equal to this. Yes. Now it is much better, because poly has a, I forgot that poly already is a function. Okay, so sorry for that. You always put polynomial 1, poly 1, poly 2. Poly is already a command, don't use this poly as a name. So next, what we want to know, we want to find out the roots. So roots of poly 1. So there are two roots, -1 and -1. You can check another polynomial. Say this is 2, is s cube, it will have 3, and then it is as 4, and like this. Now you want to find out the roots of polynomial 2, and this is the 3 roots are given. Okay, so this is how you can find out your polynomial, find the roots of the polynomial and matrix multiplication, all like this. So these all are written in a particular file. So now you want to stop this. So diary 0. Now it will stop writing. It will stop writing. After that, you close that particular file, which is our temp.txt. Now I close this. So now it is closed. ls, two files are there. Clear the screen. Now let's see whether my all these are written in my particular file or not. So this temporary file is completely blank SC file. This is our text file, txt file. Let's open it. So here you can see this is after I enter diary command. Then a is given by like this, b is given like this, then c is equal to a star b. Even this wrong command I have given is also shown here. Okay, and you can edit it from here also. You can edit it. So this is wrong command, I don't want to use this thing, so I deleted this. Okay, you can also do this. So this is the polynomial, this is the expression of the polynomial, and here it is all created up to diary is equal to 0. Now after that nothing will be recorded. whatever you do, nothing will be recorded. So when you are writing a practical notebook, this will be very useful for you. You can always take a printout of it, and then you will have your paste it in your notebook. So thank you very much.